Alrighty, what's going on today, guys? So today I'm going to be talking to you about the ZEP commercial calcium, lime, and rust remover. So this one specifically is 1 quart, as you can see right here. There are different sizes and things that you can buy online, but I figured, hey, why not get one that's going to last a bit longer? So I got this 1 quart size. I've really been using this stuff. I don't think I've ever really switched over, to anything besides ZEP for the most part. And unless it's for very, very specific uses, this is just such a great all-around calcium, lime, rust remover. Works incredibly quickly. It works on a different array of surfaces in the bathroom. Really, really nice. Yeah, so I mean, like I said, very, very quick, and I think that's the thing what I love that I love about this formula so much is that there's no need to leave it sitting for long periods of time. Maybe put it on there within like 5 and I think at the most 10 minutes. You should be leaving this stuff on because it's just after that it's broken up everything that's the nasty things that are maybe on your shower, in your sink, in your toilet, whatever, and has gotten rid of it by that point. So I use it on basically those three items. It gets rid of a lot of the nasty calcium deposits, which unavoidably build up after time. So that's kind of like the big thing. We haven't ever had to use it for rust, so I'm not totally sure on the actual process for the rust removal. But for calcium deposits, oh my gosh, like it really, really does the job well. So typically when I use this, I'll put it in a small little cup of warm water. And I kind of found that out online. Or it's easy to think that okay, you just you maybe use this, but realize that the concentration on this is very, very high, and so I think it's just necessary to have it in a little bit of warm water to dilute it. Plus, in the end, you really end up saving more of this. You don't have to buy some every time you use it. It's because you're only using a little bit, and that warm water is diluting it, and you're ending up being able to spread the solution throughout the water. So that's really nice. Typically when I use it on the shower, I'll just put it in a cup of water, use a little sponge, a brush with bristles or something. After I've mixed the solution up, I'll take it, dip it in the solution, and just kind of spread it throughout the shower. So it's very, very simple. You can literally see the dirt and grime and calcium and just running off of your walls after a matter of minutes. And so it's really, really nice. It just leaves things looking very white, just very nice overall. I'll talk a little bit about the design of the actual bottle. So yeah, this one again is the quart size. You have the cap, which is like the safety cap, which is great that they put this on here because it can be dangerous. We have a pup now, and it's locked away in our under our sink. You can never be too careful. It's so it's great that there's this little cap on top. You also have the handle right here, which is nice. Just makes carrying it around a little bit easier, although maybe it's totally not necessary because you have it's pretty easy to grip on its own, but hey, who knows. One thing I will say about this that I really actually do appreciate is that the smell isn't so strong. That's the one thing with when you get into bathroom cleaners, especially tile cleaners and things that remove calcium deposits, the chemical smell is usually pretty you'll use it and you won't be able to really go in that bathroom for a bit because it's just so strong, and you just feel like it's getting in your lungs, and it's really gross. With this, I don't really feel that way. I mean, there certainly is a chemical smell, there's no doubt about that, but it's not overbearing. It's very, very mild. It's almost like if I were to have to put it on a scale of a basic to acidic sort of smell, it's a very basic sort of smell. Very it's just very, very subtle, and it's just a very just a very subtle chemical smell. So it's not bad at all, which is another great thing as well. And that's why I don't dread using this like I do with some other chemical products. But yeah, You know, if you need something to really help clean up your shower, clean up your bathroom at all, I would highly recommend this. It's a ZEP Calcium Lime and Rust Remover. It comes in all sizes. This is the quart size again. But yeah, it's really great. I've been using it for years, and I would recommend it to just about anybody. Alrighty, you guys, take it easy. Stay clean.